Welcome to Responsible AI, your go-to channel for everything you need to know about artificial intelligence, the right way to develop and use AI tools. At Responsible AI, we are dedicated to educating and empowering you with the knowledge to understand how responsibly we need to develop and use AI tools. Artificial intelligence is transforming our world in incredible ways, from revolutionizing healthcare to driving innovation in finance and beyond. But with great power comes great responsibility. That's why we're here. On this channel, we'll dive deep into the principles and practices of responsible AI. We'll attempt to cover topics like fairness, transparency, accountability, and ethics in AI development, configuration, and deployment. Join us for engaging topics, clear and concise explainers, and practical tutorials that will help you navigate the complexities of AI responsibly. Whether you're a user of AI tool, a project manager, AI tool developer, a business leader, a policymaker, or just someone curious about the impact of AI, Responsible AI has something for you. We'll break down complex topics into easy-to-understand content, ensuring you stay informed and ahead of the curve. We also believe in the power of community. Your questions, comments, and insights are what make this journey exciting. So, don't hesitate to join the conversation and share your thoughts with us. Are you ready to embark on this journey towards a more ethical and responsible AI future? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Welcome to Responsible AI together. Let's shape the future of AI responsibly. Subscribe now and be part of the Responsible AI movement. Find us on Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Facebook.